Vert season, man. You know how we coming, ball _34 SIC. We riding Vert life, baby. Yes, sir. Zoom in, man. We got a whole bunch of old school whips, 71, Cadillac, Continental, doors open up suicide, box Chevy, G-Box. There's a lot of footage I'm about to deliver, man. So a lot of stuff is in progress, COVID-19, but came up to the shop just to see what's pulling out. We got an exclusive G-body with 9-inch MTW wheels, rose gold. So soon the owner get here, we're gonna show you some of that. Old schools everywhere, as you can see. Nice ones too, so stay tuned, man. Let's see what's popping. What's going on? This dubbduece, man, G-Body King, man. Ain't nobody got more G-Bodies than the man right here himself. Tell him what we got going on today.
Yeah, we got the Regal. We got the Regal that I've been working on forever.
Forever, as he mean like a couple of months, but.
We got them rosies.
Rosies.
Now, don't forget, I'm the G-Body King, not no Monte Carlo. The G-Body is for having a bunch of G-Bodies, but it is another G-Body King. I ain't gonna mention his name, but he got a lot of G-Bodies too. I've been watching him. He got a lot of G-Bodies. I ain't gonna say his name though.
Hold on, let's go exclusively to the back. You see them lips, man. You see them lips. You see them lips. Hold on, man. I ain't got no money on me, but I'll put my Louis wallet in there and show y'all what we talking about, man. What size it is?
26 by 12, 9-inch lip.
9-inch lip.
26 by 12. 26 by 9 in the front.
That's crazy.
Rose gold brush.
Wildwood brake kit. I see it. Fuel cell. Got a fuel cell still working. Yeah, no. Hold on. Let's go down here to the suspension. See what we got here. Look like we got some nice coilovers. Rear end. Looking real sexy back here. Look like the lips about to touch each other.
Man, you can fuck the game up, bro. Come through with this, everything. You done took the game to all
2 months in it. Suspension done. All that done. I ain't gonna give you too much. But you see roll cage in the interior. Whew, it's crazy. Everything rose gold. Even the steering wheel. Even the steering wheel. So what should they expect for 2020? Because we already know 2021 on lock. Hey, you taking names and...
I'm still trying to get this thing together, man, so just work with me. 2020, we've been on lockdown and everything been slow, so...
Yeah.
I'm definitely trying to get this thing together and get it up out of here, get it in the paint booth.
Y'all heard it live.
Paint booth need to be next.
Y'all heard it live.
I'm gonna keep this one a secret since I'm always letting the cat out the hat is what I was told. So I'm gonna keep the paint a secret.
Y'all heard
You
him,
gotta
man.
stay tuned, man.
Okay.
I got off of work. I didn't even have time to go get my camera, but I had to get this exclusive footage for y'all. Had to. Them rosies. Them lips, though. She's squatting. Squatting. Let me go. Let me go over here. See, this is other Monte Carlo.
Yeah, coming soon.
Coming soon. This is not the one. This is not the same one that had the 4Gs on it. This is a different one.
This one coming soon. This
Coming soon.
For your Monte Carlo SS lovers. We back again. We back in motion. T-top.
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 We
Official.
gonna make it nasty too. We gonna make this one better than the last one.
Y'all seen the last one. The last one had the 4Gs on it. And I'm gonna drop the pic.
I'm not from Canada, but I see a lot of teams. Dismantle them, I know how to handle them. Put the candle up, make you put a banner up.
This week, honestly, we doing the interior on that thing this week. I'm gonna just take it back out once my wheels come and I get my bag back together.
Okay. G-Body can't be working, man. As y'all do not know, he be working. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Not playing. Not playing. Look at you. Simple. Roll cage. Can't give y'all too much. Can't show y'all everything.
This John Ray. This motor right here is a rare motor.
Rare motor right here on the
305 HO. I need to put me some coolant. You gotta run it. Let me take a picture of this myself. This is the 305 HO.
Rare motor 305 HO. Y'all heard it first right here from the owner himself. Open up the shop for us. Got that bag right there for all y'all slow pokes right there. See the parachute pop out for y'all. Got the wildwood disc brakes. Look at these rotors. You see these rotors? Rotors is crazy. Hold on. Got the rotors. Everything A1. There. Got the roll cage on the inside. 4-link suspension. This a custom made 4-link.
Yes, sir.
Custom made, y'all see it.
Custom made, baby. Y'all want some custom money for it too.
And y'all see the name of the company, MTW's. Big lips. Not the same one as the 4G Auto, once again. Then this is baby like straight race car on the track, taking money, all bets on that one. Y'all already know that's a track car. Couple customer cars they working on. Chevy on some 8s. I don't know what this is, but it look rare.
Yeah, that's the world over. Home and family, man. Straight business.
SS next.
We got a Galaxy. They got a Galaxy in the shop.
Dude up here looking for his gray Cadillac. I told him to call you. He'll be here probably by 9.
There we go. G-Body King got the toe pig, you know what I mean? On those 6s, new 6s, you know what I'm saying? 37 by 13, 50 by 26. You know what I'm saying? Will he be ducked off in? You know. He's not playing. Hold on. He even got them stars, man. Come shop with me. He got them stars in here too. You know what I'm saying? Everything look flashy. You don't see all them holes and everything. I don't know where G-Bike got his remote at. Hold on. There we go. You see it. You see it. Stars for days. I think that's just one kit.
Hit it again. Dubbduece, IG.
That's just one kit. He got 2 kits in here. I don't know how to work it.
Interior done here and
You know what I'm saying? Hold on. I'm going to get it right here. I'm going to get it, YouTube. He got 2 kits in here. I can't get both of them on.
Need the light on?
I'm trying to get both lights on. I'm trying to get that multi-color look.
Look like both of them on.
I don't think so. Because I'm looking. I don't see.
They on.
They on?
bring out some live exclusive kits. Wanna make it Saturday night.
Y'all see it.
At nighttime it do.
I just know it's 2 kits in that thing.
Kids in there.
Y'all see the interior clean as heck.
This ain't gonna be ready for you this shit.
But if you need them stars, come holler at me, man. I get you in and out. But y'all know.
Yeah, like,
You want to buy any of his whips, man.
Yeah.
Y'all better come with a bag.
it